This video guides you to know how to publish an application using NFCApps. All the operation is performed by admin only. To begin, you need to enter the server IP in the address bar, provided by NetForChoice. Time to enter the login credentials that have sent to your registered email address in the NFCApps portal. Now click on AdminTool. Afterwards, select the applications and go to Add Application option. Now open the application that you want to publish. Like we use Tally here. And right-click on it to open the Properties section. Time to select and copy the target path. And paste to the path or file name section. Again go to the Properties section, and copy the start in path. And paste into start directory path. Click on Test, and once Tally starts, finally click on Save. Now you can see, the Tally is published under the Published Applications section. Thank you for watching.